Good morning, students. Welcome back to the English class. We have been doing Arun's computer. We are going to continue with our reading practice for the day, and then we are going to move to the worksheet that is given for the day. But first, we are going to begin from the beginning so that we get a quick revision of what we have learned so far. I also hope you're preparing well for your dictation, which is scheduled for the day, and you know all your words properly. This is very, very important. Let us begin. This is Arun's computer, page number 92. One evening, Arun went into his room. It was very dark in the room. He did not switch on the light. Arun sat down at his desk. He turned on his computer. The computer made a noise. Buzz, trip, lip, lip, lip. Then there was a clicking sound. Suddenly, the screen lit up. Arun looked around the room. His room was filled with light. Arun tapped on the keyboard. He looked at the screen. The color of the screen became blue. Then a face appeared. It was the face of a boy. The boy looked just like Arun. Arun was surprised. Arun looked at his webcam. The green light on the webcam was on. I can see his face, thought Arun. Can he see my face? Now, so we all know what is happening so far. Arun is sitting in front of the computer and he's wondering that there is somebody else on the screen trying to talk to Arun. Let's see what happens next. Arun began to write a short message. Hello, wrote Arun. Who are you? The words appeared on the computer screen. The face on the screen did not move. The computer made a noise. Buzz, brip, blick. Okay, so he's typing into the computer, yet he's not getting any answer. Let's see what happens next. A message began to appear under Arun's message. Hello, said the message. Who are you? So the same message appeared. Arun was surprised. What is the meaning of the word surprised? Surprise means that he was taken aback. Something that he thought, oh, what is this happening? He was also a little frightened. Frightened meaning is scared. I am Arun. Arun typed. The words appeared on the computer screen. Once again, the computer made a loud noise. Buzz, brip, blip, grrr. A message appeared under Arun's name. Arun's message. I am Arun, said the message. Now Arun was very frightened. What was happening? He thought that he's talking to somebody else who's also talking to him. Later, let's see what happens. Arun jumped out of his chair. He got scared. He ran to the light switch near the door. He switched on the light in his room. He went back to his desk. He looked at his computer. There was no face on the screen. How silly, said Arun. It was just my reflection. What is the meaning of the word reflection? When you see in the mirror, so I will want you to go and stand in front of the mirror. When you see your own self, it can be in the mirror, sometimes in clean water. That is called reflection. The computer made a noise. buzz, brip, blick, grrr, and the same thing was done. So it was a confusion on Arun's behalf, but sooner or later the confusion got over and that was good. Let's come to the worksheet for the day. Please write this section E. This is 3/3/2021. It's a new month of March. I know we have weekend lockdowns, but that does not stop our studies. Our concept tests are going well, so please continue to do that as well. Let's do this. Tick the correct option and write in the blanks. Dash went into his room. Ravi, Arun, Sam. Arun went into his room. The dash made a noise. Computer, television, mobile. It was the computer. Arun wrote a short dash. Letter, message, poem. When you read the chapter well and you understand what is happening, all of this becomes easy. It was a message. Write yes or no. Arun had a noisy computer. Yes. Arun tapped on the mouse. No, he tapped on the keyboard. The light of the webcam was green. Yes. The face of the girl appeared on the screen. No, it was face of Arun that appeared on the screen, isn't it? Let's look ahead. What happened next? Okay. Now let's do the question and answers here as it is mentioned, and we will have to now start doing a question answer. What did Arun do into his room? What did Arun do in his room? Arun did not switch on the light and turned on his computer. Arun did not switch on the light and he turned on his computer. Are you seeing how I'm writing? Leaving one finger space or two finger space between words? Same way. What did Arun first see on the screen? The color, or you write it like this, not like this. Arun first saw the screen became blue. Full stop. What messages did Arun type? First he said, hello, who are you? Right? And then he wrote, I am Arun. These are the two messages he typed. Name the parts of the computer using the help box given below. Keyboard, mouse, webcam, monitor. What is this? It's a mouse. This is a webcam like the one Arun was using. This is a keyboard. And this is a monitor. You need to know the spelling of all these words as it is important for our learning's sake. Please complete the question answers because now you will be asked to write question answers in your coming concept test as well. I will see you back in the next class. Till then, stay safe. Bye-bye.